Hello, fellow horticulture enthusiasts, and welcome back to Rooted Wealth. Today, we're spotlighting plants that offer a dual benefit. They exhibit rapid growth and also cleanse the atmosphere within your dwelling, eliminating pollutants and enhancing your indoor environment. If you aspire to cultivate a more verdant living space rapidly and enjoy purer air to inhale, these 7 botanical specimens are precisely what you require. Before we commence, if you find this information valuable, please consider endorsing this content by clicking the like button. It significantly aids the channel's growth. Our first featured plant is the spider plant, a true champion of accelerated development and air purification. NASA research discovered its ability to extract formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air, prevalent contaminants found in household goods. What distinguishes spider plants is their remarkable propensity for rapid propagation via offspring, referred to as spiderets. These young plants can be readily transplanted. A single plant can proliferate into dozens within the span of a year. Their care is straightforward. They thrive in bright indirect illumination and need water when the uppermost inch of soil feels dry. If you observe browning leaf tips, transition to using filtered water or allow tap water to stand for several hours before application. Second on our list is the pothos, arguably the most rapidly developing vining plant suitable for indoor cultivation. It can extend by several feet in a season and removes formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from your home. Regular pruning maintains its aesthetic, and each cutting can be successfully rooted in water to cultivate a new specimen. Pothos thrives in low to bright indirect light. Water it when the plant signals its need with a slight droop. +1. For a vertical aesthetic, guide its growth upwards along a moss pole or position it on a shelf where vines can cascade. Our third selection is the bamboo palm, known for surprisingly swift growth and comprehensive air purification. They are particularly adept at augmenting humidity in dry indoor environments during colder months. Maintain the soil in a slightly damp state and provide medium to bright indirect light for the best results. Invest in a small specimen, and within 2 years, you will possess a substantial floor plant that adds a serene tropical ambiance. Number 4 is the Boston fern, acclaimed as a premier plant for eradicating formaldehyde from indoor air. They function as natural humidifiers, which can alleviate dry skin and respiratory discomfort during winter. These ferns grow with notable speed and can completely fill a hanging basket within a single growing season. Our 5th plant is the rubber plant, a bold specimen that adds several large leaves each month during its active period. Their expansive leaves provide a considerable surface area, enhancing their efficiency as air purifiers for formaldehyde. Benefit from occasional wiping of their large leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and improve photosynthesis. Number 6 is the Dracaena, capable of removing benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene. +1, they are resilient to drought. It is preferable to err on the side of underwatering rather than overwatering. Our 7th and final plant is the philodendron, a fast-growing vining purifier comparable to pothos. They are exceptionally easy to propagate. Simply make a cut below a node and place it in water. Position them on shelves or train them to climb for rapidly developing vertical greenery that purifies your air. Now that you know the best plants, let's talk about the foundation of their rapid growth, the perfect soil mix. A well-draining soil ensures that roots breathe and expand quickly, supporting the lush foliage above. Spring and summer are the peak growing seasons. This is when your plants will show their maximum potential. During this time, consider organic fertilizers to provide the necessary nutrients for those fast-growing vines. Observation is key. Look at the leaves. They tell a story of the plant's health and the air it's cleaning. Placement in your home matters. Grouping plants together creates a microclimate with higher humidity, For your bedroom, choose the snake plant or spider plant to ensure oxygen production continues through the night. In the living room, large-leafed plants like the rubber tree serve as natural focal points and air filters. Let's look closer at propagation. It's the most cost-effective way to fill every room with greenery. For pothos and philodendrons, cut just below the node, the point where the leaf meets the stem. Place them in a sunny spot and watch the miracle of new life as white roots begin to emerge. Once the roots are a few inches long, it's time to move them into their first home of soil. Maintaining clean leaves is vital. Dust can block sunlight and reduce the plant's ability to purify your air. A quick shower in the sink or bathtub once a month can mimic a tropical rain and refresh your plants. Be mindful of the light. If your plant is stretching and losing color, it's asking for more sunshine. Conversely, brown scorched patches on leaves indicate the sun might be too intense. Creating a green wall with climbing plants like pothos can transform the acoustics and air of a room. The presence of plants has been shown to reduce stress and increase productivity by up to 15%. By investing in these fast growers, you are creating a living, breathing sanctuary for your mental health. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn. Every new leaf is a small victory. Every successful propagation is a gift to share with friends. As we wrap up, think about which room in your home needs a breath of fresh air today. Is it the office where you work, or the kitchen where you gather with family? These air-purifying champions are ready to start their work as soon as you bring them home. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a greener, healthier lifestyle. Your support means the world to us. If you haven't already, please subscribe and join our community. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip on how to grow your rooted wealth. Check out our other videos for more specific care guides and indoor gardening secrets. Share your plant progress with us on social media. We love seeing your indoor jungles grow. Until next time, keep growing, keep breathing, and stay rooted. Happy gardening!